Hey there! Welcome to another Adobe Illustrator tutorial. Today, we will convert raster images to vector graphics in Adobe Illustrator. This skill is essential for any designer or artist working with Illustrator. Let's get started. Launch Adobe Illustrator and go to File, Place to import the raster image you want to convert. Alternatively, you can drag and drop the image directly into your Illustrator document. If necessary, scale, position, or rotate the image to your desired size and orientation within the Illustrator artboard. Go to Window, then Image Trace to open the Image Trace panel. This panel provides access to the various settings and controls for the vector conversion process. Click Preview so you can see the instant changes. In the Image Trace panel, you'll find several preset options, such as High Fidelity Photo, Line Art, Low Fidelity, and more. Select the preset that best matches the characteristics of your input image. Experiment with the different settings in the Image Trace panel, such as threshold, paths, corners, noise, and other parameters. Adjusting these settings can help you fine-tune the vector conversion, achieving the desired level of detail, smoothness, and fidelity. As you adjust the settings, you can continuously preview the resulting vector artwork in the Illustrator document. This allows you to make informed decisions about the best configuration for your specific image. Once you're satisfied with the vector output, close the panel. This will convert the image into a fully editable vector object, which you can now manipulate further. Now go to the object, then expand. This will allow you to resize your image without losing quality. Now ungroup the image to make all the parts differently editable. The converted vector object can now be edited, resized, or modified as needed. You can adjust the paths, colors, add additional elements, or further refine the design to suit your requirements. Remember, the quality of the vector output will depend on the complexity and resolution of the original raster image. Simpler images with high contrast tend to convert better to vectors than more intricate, detailed images. By following these comprehensive steps, you can efficiently convert your raster images into scalable vector graphics in Adobe Illustrator, opening up a world of design possibilities and enabling you to create, edit, and manipulate your artwork with greater flexibility and precision. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Illustrator tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.